Want to make money by re-uploading viral videos without worrying about copyright strikes? There's a simple trick to do it by transforming the style of any video using AI. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to turn viral content into your own unique creation so you can monetize it on YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok, all while staying clear of copyright issues. Let's get started. The first step is to collect viral videos. For this tutorial, let's grab a popular video from Instagram. You can look for trending accounts and download one of their videos. I've already downloaded a video, and now we're ready for the next step. Alright, our video is ready. Now it's time to restyle the video in another style. And to do that, I will use an AI tool called LensGo AI. This tool is a game changer for content creators. Not only can you generate images and videos from text prompts, but you can also train your own models to create consistent character images and videos. The coolest part? LensGo AI has a feature called Video Style Transformer, and that's exactly what we'll be using today to restyle our video. I will put the link in the description box. Just head over there and create an account. I already have an account, so I am logging in. Once you are logged in, your interface will look like this. Here you can notice that LensGo now supports the brand new Flux image generation model. That's amazing. Next, here you will find all the tools to create various content. If you scroll down, you will find the feature images and feature models. We will talk about all these in another video. Today, let's see how we can restyle our videos. So, come to the AI Tools section and select the Video Style Transfer feature. And this is the Video Style Transfer interface. First of all, you can see 3 feature modes here. The first one is Restyle. With this feature, you can change any video style and create a brand video like this. Next, the AI Rendering. With this feature, you can render any 3D model in any style like this. What you need to do, just upload the 3D model animation video. Once the video is uploaded, you have to select a style from here. You will find various popular styles here. If you need any particular style, then you can upload an image of your style here. You can even train your own model. I am coming back there later. This time I am selecting the Ghibli style. Next, you have to enter a prompt in this box. My 3D model animation is about a figure walking. I am writing, a beautiful woman walking on a road. After that, the style strength. If you select normal, it will affect less, and if you choose high, it will follow as much as possible. Next, the video duration. At this moment, you can create a 60-second video, and this feature is only for the premium user. However, the paid plan starts at $6 per month, where you will get 1,000 credits, and the biggest plan, the Mega Plan, will give you 10,000 credits. As I already have a Mega Plan, I will go with a 30-second video. After the video duration, set the FPS. A higher FPS will provide a better result. Next, if you don't want any watermark, then turn on this option. In the end, enable this feature if you want to keep your content private. Once everything is set, hit the Generate button. Now we have to wait some time. Let's first forward this part. And here it is, our video is ready. Here you can generate a perfect Ghibli-style character from our 3D model character. So, now you can render your 3D material in any style. Alright, our third restyle feature is AI Color. With this feature, you can turn your linear art videos into any colorful anime. For example, this is a line art motion video. I want to turn it into a Pixar-style video. So, what do I need to do? After uploading the video, select Pixar animation as the style. Next, enter the prompt. After entering the related prompt, set all the settings as needed, and once everything is set, hit the Generate Video button. And here is the resulting video. You can see how LensGo turns our line art video clip into a perfect Pixar anime video clip. That's really amazing. So now you don't need to be an expert in all the animation sectors to make animation videos. Just create anime and style and turn them into any style with LensGo AI. Alright, now let's restyle our video clip into an anime style. First of all, I am uploading the video. After that, I will select a style. I want to create it in manga style. But unfortunately, LensGo AI doesn't have this particular style. So, I have to upload a manga style image as the reference style. Just click here and upload the style reference image. After uploading the image, enter the prompt and set all the settings. Once all is set, hit the Generate Video button. After waiting some time, I got this result.
Shake it left and right under neon lights. Feel the heat ignite. Dance the night so bright. Starry skies above.
And you can see the result. It's perfectly changed the style, and it looks just amazing. I love it. What do you think? Let me know in the comments section. If you are enjoying the video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorial videos like this. Now you notice that sometimes LensGo generates different characters in the same video, but a consistent character will be great to increase engagement. So, what can we do about that? It's so simple. We have to train a model with a particular character. To do that, come to the Style library. Here, you will find an option called My Model. After coming to this page, click on Train Model. This is the Model Trainer interface. Click on the new model from here. After coming to this page, first, we have to give the name of our model. Give any name as per wish. Next, set the base model. I will go with the anime model. Next, we have to upload some images of our model. I already generated some images of a character. If you are not familiar with creating consistent character images, let me know in the comments section. I will create another video for you. Alright, now upload all the images. Once all the images are uploaded, click on the Start button from here. Now it will take some time to train our model. Let's first forward this part. Okay, our model is ready to use. So, now come back to the Style Transfer tab. Upload the desired video clip. After that, select our newly trained model as the reference style. Enter the required prompt. Next, apply all the required settings, and then hit the Generate Video. Now wait some time. And here it is. Our video with our model reference is ready. Let's have a look.
Shake it left and right under neon lights. Feel the heat.
That's really amazing. The video now looks like our reference character. Alright, now in the same method, you create videos in a particular style and character. So, you can use multiple users' videos. There is another important point that needs to be noted. Sometimes you may face issues with the audio. So, use new and fresh audio to avoid this issue. Now you can upload the video on your YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram and gain quick success. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience with creating viral content with AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching.